channel Kids Fun and Learn with Rudra and today guys, we're going to make the best starter. We're going to be making Paneer Tikka and this is so delicious. It bursts with flavors. So before we begin to make this Paneer Tikka, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and on the notification button so you guys can stay tuned for other videos. Let's begin. First, we're going to be making a bowl. The items here bowl. Let's make. I'm going to use my magic to make one. Here's the bowl, and it's big. Now we're going to make marination. First, to make a paneer tikka, we will be putting some curd. Add some chili powder. And now we're going to add some garam masala. Then we're going to add some salt. And turmeric powder. And then we're going to add some black pepper. And then chaat masala. And then roasted cinnamon. And now you're going to add some mustard oil, then lemon juice, then chickpea flour, and ginger, garlic, green chili paste. Mix it well. Now our mixture is ready. Now we're going to add the best part, the paneer. You know the Paneer Tikka name, the first word is paneer, so let's add some. And now you're going to mix it again. Now our marination is ready. Now you have to keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Now our marination is ready. You're going to take this and put the vegetables and paneer in it. We are serving it with mint chutney, onion and our paneer tikkas. Now I am going to garnish it with coriander. And now we're going to put some lemon juice for some flavor. It's my favorite time! Taste test time! So it looks so good. So I'm going to get some of it in some of our crunchy and it's so much flavor and it's so delicious. And it has so much flavor. It is so tasty and it's so good. And I don't know how I can explain it. It's just too good.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and on the notification button.
First, you're going to take a big stick, and to do this, take a spoon in these skewers. Did I get it correct? But after 7 bajillion times, now we're going to be making. Now we're going to make marination. Did I get it correct?